No, we recording here.
Recording. So
Yeah, I could send I should have brought my phone. I could have.
so Granny and Papa can see your accommodations.
That's crazy.
This guy. This is sweet though, man. So that's the bunk bed. Got curtains.
Y'all be getting people that be doing this, trying to get you to honk your horn on the freeway.
I'll be looking at you.
That used to be the thing when we was kids in the car. We'd be driving to church to Springfield, or when we lived in
There it is, right
Steubenville.
there. See, Gary, if you want to pull that line over there, open those curtains. See that little line that's digging?
The little hook.
Oh, this here?
Just give it a quick pull.
Oh, that's sweet. Okay.
That's crazy.
So when do y'all pull that?
Never.
Never? Man, I thought
When
y'all
other
be...
truckers are making you feel a negative type of energy.
Wow. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Why you zoom in so tight? Zoom out.
Yeah, but here, you take it, babe.
That's a
What
gel
am I
pillow.
saying? Because then you can see
That's
better.
my personal pillow.
Mm.
You see the other window on that side?
The other window of what?
Oh, that's sweet. Another window.
Oh, I see it now.
When the windows open, you can turn the little handle on them. That's what that little black handle is right there. So you can open your window
That's what's up.
or black knob.
So when you and your mentor was driving, did you sometimes like sleep while he was driving? Oh, okay.
Yeah, he definitely slept when I was driving a couple times.
That's crazy. He slept while the newbie was driving. I'd have been like, man, I'm not going to sleep up in here. Like, I don't know what you out here doing.
My driving skills is impeccable.